Collagen is an essential protein responsible for maintaining the health of skin, hair, nails, and joints. As we age, collagen production declines, making it crucial to supplement through diet. While collagen powders and supplements are widely available, consuming natural collagen-rich drinks is an enjoyable and beneficial way to support the body's needs. Here are the 7 best drinks with the highest collagen content. 1. Bone broth. Bone broth is one of the richest natural sources of collagen. Made by simmering animal bones and connective tissues for several hours, it contains high amounts of collagen, gelatin, and amino acids like glycine and proline. These nutrients help improve skin elasticity, strengthen joints, and support gut health. Drinking warm bone broth daily can provide a direct and highly bioavailable source of collagen. 2. Collagen-infused coffee. Many people add hydrolyzed collagen peptides to their morning coffee. These peptides dissolve easily and do not alter the taste, making collagen coffee a convenient way to boost daily collagen intake. Additionally, coffee is rich in antioxidants, which can complement collagen's benefits for skin and overall health. 3. Collagen water. Collagen water is a refreshing and easy way to increase collagen intake. It is essentially water infused with hydrolyzed collagen peptides, which the body can quickly absorb. Many brands also add vitamins like vitamin C, which enhances collagen synthesis, making it a hydrating and effective choice for skin and joint health. 4. Aloe vera juice. Aloe vera juice is known for its skin healing properties and has been found to boost collagen production in the body. While it doesn't contain collagen directly, it stimulates fibroblast cells, which are responsible for collagen synthesis. This makes aloe vera juice a great natural alternative for those looking to support collagen levels. 5. Citrus smoothies. Citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, and grapefruits are packed with vitamin C, which plays a crucial role in collagen production. Blending them into a smoothie with ingredients like yogurt or collagen powder creates a delicious, nutrient-rich drink that helps support the skin, joints, and connective tissues. 6. Matcha tea with collagen. Matcha tea is loaded with antioxidants called catechins, which help protect collagen from breakdown. When combined with collagen powder, matcha becomes a powerhouse drink that supports skin elasticity, fights inflammation, and promotes overall well-being. The combination of collagen and matcha provides both immediate and long-term benefits. 7. Berry and collagen smoothies. Berries like strawberries, blueberries, and blackberries are rich in antioxidants and vitamin C, which support collagen production and prevent its degradation. Blending them into a smoothie with collagen powder, Greek yogurt, or almond milk creates a delicious and effective way to enhance collagen levels naturally. Incorporating these drinks into a daily routine can significantly improve skin health, joint function, and overall well-being. Whether you prefer warm bone broth, a refreshing collagen smoothie, or a simple cup of coffee with added collagen, there are plenty of delicious and effective ways to boost your collagen intake.